Hi guys, here in this video I want to quickly show you on how to create accounts with Autodesk. To create your account, you come to the sign in arrow, you click on that, then you are going to see sign in to Autodesk account, you click on that. So make sure your system is connected to an active internet. Then you come to create account, you click on that. So here you are going to put your first name, so I'll be going with Easy. Then my last name, I'll go with Geospatials. Alright, so just put your first name and last name, then you put your email. So I'll just go with my email. So all you need is your email address and the password to your email address. Alright, then the next thing is to confirm your email. Alright, so I'm just going to copy, then paste. Alright, so this is my email and you have to confirm the email again. Then lastly, you have to input your email password. So I'm just going to input the password to my email. After that, you click on I agree to the Autodesk terms of use and acknowledge the privacy statement. Then you click on create account. So you can see already account created and it takes successfully. So you can choose to check this box so that you can be receiving some updates about the Autodesk privacy and statements. Then you click on OK. So automatically you can see I have successfully created an account and it is signed in into the Autodesk account with my account name. Do you get? So that is how to create account with AutoCAD easily. So you can make use of some exclusive features like the satellite images and the rest of it. You can actually check the video under the video description to see how to do that. If you find this video informative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon and turn on your notification on this channel to keep getting valuable tutorials from this channel freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.